guys, we're at the circuit of Welded again for Driftday. As you can hear, there's a lot of noise, so that's why I'm here in the van. There's a track day for bikes, so we're going to go straight into it. The reason why I'm changing to these wheels is because these were used in the last video and they have a little tread left, so I want to use them in the beginning. Alrighty, going out for the first lap. As you can notice, I have a roll cage right now. Took a while because I had to learn how to weld and stuff, because there are plates that need to be welded in here. I'm going to feel out the car first. It's been a while. Behind the cage and the reason why I welded in plates is because we have a friend in the group who also drives an E30 just like that one, who also has a roll cage in it, and he had an accident at the Nürburgring drift park. It was quite bad. He went over like a guardrail and stuff, so after seeing what people get themselves into, I thought, why not be safe? It's a little expensive, but now I have it and it's there to protect me, hopefully. It looks like this time we have some pool noodles that are clipping points. I think this will be more of a chill day. There should be another competition coming up, and I don't want to screw myself by going too nuts. I want to compete in the competition if it goes through. The only negative that I have to say about the cage is whenever I'm wearing a helmet, if I want to, I can kind of hit the cage. So the layout has reversed. I lost a bit of time changing the wheels earlier, so now we're running it reverse. I have my action cam on the outside, and we're going to try to hit as much clipping points as possible. Where's your bumper, mate? Gone. He lost his lip. One side has a lip now, the other side doesn't. Are going for it. I'm going to try and attempt to do a clean run, and then I'm going to go in and put on my helmet and maybe do some tandems. My man's playing a little bit of Counter-Strike here on the drift day. He's planting the bomb on A.
Bomb has been planted. Trying to kill the 1JZ?
Killing the 1JZ, is that what we're doing here?
Yes, sir.
Fuel cut mode. He's adjusting the fuel map. He has a little bit of a boost cut, I guess, or...
No, just trying to spit flames on diesel.
Okay, we're trying to make a little bit of fireworks on diesel, so... He already lost the rear lip. It's right there.
This extraordinary creature is half blind, half deaf.
Is het de Toro, ja?
We're looking at a street drifter in the wild,
Yes.
repairing the damage is done by doing some crazy legal activities. Alright, so I have my helmet on. Right now we are going to do some roundabouts or figure eights. Hopefully we can do them with some people so I don't have to do them alone, because driving alone at this point is becoming pretty boring.
Whack.
So as you can see with the helmet on, if I go left and up I can hit the cage. Still have half an hour to go. Me and Kevin are going to try to do some figure eights like these guys are doing right now. I have my camera on the side of his car pointing towards me, so I'm going to try and get in the shot. We're not going to go too crazy because he still has to drive the car home. Things around. The issue that I'm having with multiple cars is that my car is pretty silent compared to theirs, so it's really hard to know at what range I'm at. So yeah, at the beginning I lost my power band multiple times. seems like he lost his side skirt. He lost his rear bumper lip, he lost one side skirt. So we have 2 more lips to go, I guess. And then he has no aero. Let's go. It's annoying when chasing or leading, especially when chasing, because I don't know if I'm in the right range to get to him or not, so it's pretty hard, but yeah.
It is what it is.
I'm going to see what I can do about it, but I don't like the catless exhausts on the E36s because they sound really raspy and not my kind of noise, so. Guy that drives the Z3, so I'm going to try to avoid having collision. Suka, initiation is really hard to follow, so I do the exact same thing, but I'm going to stop and do that because it's really hard to follow.
Tweede. Waar? Voorlopen?
Wat, stervend.
Misschien. Luister je naar muziek? Tel een beetje.
The layout is reversed again. We're going to be following my buddy Wesley here. He has the same car, just a different differential ratio. We're doing the little competition now. I have no helmet on because I don't want to do any more battles. It was a pretty cool day, chill, so let's keep it that way.